Here's one that I picked just for looks. It's the Ternion by NTO Designs. Got this little custom version. It's from the custom series, and it's model C. They have several different models that look really nice. This is the one that I thought looked nicest, so I got it. It's made of brass, anodized black, brass weights, and I think it looks just awesome. This is one of the nicest looking fidget spinners I've got. You see this little brass ring underneath there too, that adds to the looks of it, and it feels really nice. It's a really cool feeling spinner. You can catch on these little bullet weights and do a pull stroke, throw. It's very nice. So I don't know how long it spins though, so that's going to be the next thing. Test that out. It does have a hybrid bearing in it, an R188, and so if you want to get this one, it's model C. They've got several other models. I think they have 4 or 5 of them, and they all look pretty nice, but I thought this one looked the nicest, so I got this. So let's test this to see how long it'll spin. Okay, I duration tested the Ternion by NTO Designs. It kind of crapped out on spin times, unfortunately. It only got an average spin time of 3 minutes and 18 seconds. It got vertical spins of around 4.5 minutes, but much shorter horizontally. Didn't really like the spin time on it too much, so I tried replacing the bearing. I put 2 other bearings in it that are supposed to be very good bearings, and I still couldn't get spin times horizontally over like 3.5 minutes. So it's probably because it's very light. It only weighs 46 grams, and it doesn't have, despite the fact that it has these weights out here on the edges, it doesn't really have a lot of weight on the outside. But so it didn't get a very good overall score because of the spin times. That's what I focus on. But I don't really want to give it a negative review. It still looks fantastic and it plays really well. I mean, if you don't care too much about spin times, it's a really good spinner to have. But if you're looking for long spinners, this isn't the one to get. I gave it an appearance score of 9.5. I think it looks really great. Feel of 9, feels great also. Perceived quality is 7.5. The one problem I had with the quality was that it has a press fit bearing, which is difficult to change, and the buttons don't come off very easily. You kind of gotta play with them a little bit to get them to come off, so I didn't really like the way the buttons came off. But I could see myself just playing with it, just carrying this one around playing with it though. I'll probably just pack it away and keep it as a little souvenir though. So this one cost $119, and it's probably a little bit pricey for what it is. I don't really think it's quite worth that much, but it's still nice to have. I mean, I like to have. I'm glad that I got it. So, okay, that's the Ternion Custom Edition Model C.